City of Roses, Pasadena Media, the Arroyo Channel, with the Aldonia Show. Hello, welcome back. If you've never been here before, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. Today I have a special guest for you, Joyce Miles. She's an amazing, multi-talented artist in the city of Pasadena, right here. If you're not from here, it's okay, but we're here. Meet Joyce. How you doing today, Joyce?
I'm doing good, doing great.
Glad to have you. I'm glad you have time to come and sit with me and we could chat about some of your family lineage and the beautiful images that you created. So how long you been doing the creation? And is it part of your family history? Are there artists in your family?
Yes, basically I've been, I would call myself like gifted from a child. So I started painting when I was painting, drawing, creating when I was very young. So just exposed to a lot of art in my family. And today what I do is just bring out things that I don't normally bring out.
So you know, I know you know that, right? Little secret you guys don't know. When you work around people, you get to meet a lot of great people. And I met this woman actually through, what's it, Roscoe? Roscoe Lee Owens. He was working on an event or project, can't remember exactly right now, but that's when I met Joyce. And then Joyce referred me to do some work for her. And later on, I wind up seeing her at a job I was working at. She was there. I'm like, what are you doing here? I'm like, wow, it's amazing. She was working at the same place that I work and serving families and children. And she has an amazing family. But what she didn't tell you, she's getting ready to tell you right now.
Yeah.
Let's talk about your mom and your dad.
Oh, wow, okay. Yeah, my parents were very inspirational to me. Like I say, they provided us a really rich culture of art, creativity, you know. My mother and father stayed busy through their whole lives, and what I did was, they've since passed away, but what I did was I started realizing we need to honor our ancestors, and what way could I do that? So